If SketchUp 2026 is giving you a something went wrong or try again later error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is usually not a permanent problem. In most cases, it is caused by a throttle, a timeout, a browser session conflict, or a network block that interrupts SketchUp's connection to Trimble servers. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and lets you find more helpful tutorials when you need them. Now, the first thing to understand is that if you've tried logging in, opening the warehouse, or signing in multiple times in a row, Trimble may temporarily flag your IP address for suspicious activity. This is where the 10-minute rule comes in. The easiest fix is to completely close SketchUp and also close any browser tabs that are related to Trimble or SketchUp. Then, leave everything alone for a full 10 minutes. Don't keep retrying during that time, because that can extend the cooldown. In many cases, this pause is enough to reset the server-side throttle and let you sign in normally again. If that does not solve it, the next step is to force a fresh handshake by clearing SketchUp's WebCache. This is one of the most reliable fixes because the error can get stuck inside SketchUp's internal browser memory. To do this, close SketchUp 2026 first. Then open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar. %appdata %/SketchUp /SketchUp 2026 /SketchUp. Once you're in that folder, look for the WebCache folder and delete it. After that, reopen SketchUp and try the same action again, whether that is signing in, opening the warehouse, or loading the page that was failing before. Clearing this cache forces SketchUp to build a brand new connection instead of using the broken one. Now let's move on to the browser session issue, because SketchUp 2026 uses your default browser to verify your identity. If your browser already has an old login session, or if there is a conflict between accounts, SketchUp can get stuck in a try again later loop. To fix this, open your default browser, then sign out of SketchUp.com and Trimble.com completely. Make sure you are fully logged out, and if possible, clear the active session before trying again. If that still doesn't work, switch your default browser temporarily. For example, if you normally use Chrome, set Microsoft Edge as your default browser for the moment. This creates a clean login path and often bypasses the error immediately. Next, if the issue still continues, it's time to refresh your network connection. Sometimes your router or DNS keeps an old or dead route to Trimble's servers, which can prevent the login handshake from completing. Close SketchUp again, then open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. That clears the DNS cache and gives your system a fresh path to the server. If you are using a VPN, turn it off as well. Trimble may block certain VPN IP addresses, and that alone can trigger the error even when everything else looks fine. If SketchUp is failing while opening a file, then the problem may not be the login at all. In that case, check whether you have a backup file available. On Windows, look for a .skb backup file. On Mac, look for a .skp backup version or any saved duplicate you can restore. A damaged projects file can sometimes create the same type of error, so this is worth checking if the crash happens during file opening instead of signing in. So to recap, the fastest fix is to wait 10 minutes if you've triggered a throttle. Then clear the WebCache folder, sign out of your browser sessions, try a different default browser, flush your DNS, and disable any VPN that might be blocking the connection. Those steps solve most SketchUp, something went wrong and try again later, errors in 2026. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more practical software troubleshooting guides. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with exactly when the error appears and I'll help you narrow down the cause. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.